남아있는 너의 온기와 너만의 향기 울고 있어. All I can do is try. 우리만의 시간 뒤돌려봐도 없어지지는 않아. 따뜻한 그 미소 너무 좋았던 날 두 눈을 감아봐도 Don't wanna let you go away. 난 감정이 있어.
Hello everyone and welcome back to Angie's Table. So today I am gonna film what I eat in a day. I just came back from walking outside and I showered, so I am a little hungry. Let's start with breakfast. We're gonna start off with a bagel that I got yesterday. Normally I eat bagels so that I can eat cream cheese. It's just a vehicle for cream cheese. I picked up this onion and chive cream cheese from Trader Joe's and I tried it. It was really good. Also, bagels have a lot of carbs. It's not the healthiest thing, so I thought it made sense to decrease the thickness of the bagel so that I can have my favorite part, which is the cream cheese. I'm gonna toast this up in my favorite toaster. I tried this bagel yesterday and I don't know if I really like bagel thins. So then I started thinking, okay, maybe I do really like bagels. There wasn't enough of that cushiony, pillowy, soft bed of bread in there. It was just kind of really thin and airy. The bagel's like right? The cream cheese is good. We're gonna add a very thick amount of cream cheese. So we have our bagel and I'm gonna have some coffee with half a coffee with my oat creamer. My ghetto straw. Okay, let's eat. Start off with my coffee. I like sitting here and just looking outside. It's very peaceful. So, you know, did pick up all those leaves yesterday, or on Saturday over the weekend. It's like right back to where it used to be. They're all falling. Alright, it is lunchtime. We're going to be making miso udon soup, miso udon noodles. I don't really know what I'm going to name it yet, but I'm going to try to recreate this dish because I did go and have some ramen last week and I wanted to make it at home. I felt like it was possible. The only noodles I have at home are udon noodles, so we're going to substitute it with that, and I don't have that many veggies at home, so we're just going to have to make it work with just mushrooms pretty much. There's always like this earthy flavor in miso broths, and I'm thinking that it's not just sesame oil. I think it's sesame paste. I don't have sesame paste at home, but I'm just gonna use tahini. I know there will be a slight difference in that taste because tahini is made with raw or hulled sesame seeds and sesame paste is toasted or roasted. So there will be a difference in the aromatics and the toasty flavor, but we'll make it work with what we have. I have the noodles soaked in some water and we'll let it defrost like this. I feel like shiitake would be really good, but I didn't have it, so I just have some baby bella mushrooms. We're gonna saute it in olive oil and then we'll add soy sauce and sugar and saute all of that until it's fully cooked and glazed. Now let's set this aside and work on the broth. Over medium-high heat, add in your sesame oil. And once that gets hot, we'll add in our garlic and saute it until it's aromatic. Then add in your sesame paste or tahini or your peanut butter, whichever works and whichever you have at home. While stirring it, we're going to add in our water. And we're also going to add in the milk. Hondashi, which is basically like Japanese MSG. It's so good. I love hondashi. I think I always have this and I use it for my soba noodles. When I make my mensuyu, and we'll continue to stir this until the broth boils. Then once this comes to a boil, we'll add in our miso paste and mirin, and we're gonna continue to mix this until all the paste is fully blended into the broth. And we'll cover the pot and let it just cook and boil for about 10 more minutes. Then we'll lower the heat and leave it to a simmer. Taste the soup, and you can season it with some more soy sauce or sugar. This is all based on your taste. Then in a separate pot, we'll cook the udon noodles in boiling water for about 2 minutes. We don't want to overcook this. And then we get on to plating. We'll add in our strained udon noodles. Then we'll top it off with mushrooms. And add our broth and green onions. And let's give this a try. How is it? Good? Very good. You wanna watch something?
Sure.
This is shaping up to be
Reese's. So tiny. Last but not least, we are gonna make dinner, but we're gonna eat at Grace's house, and I'm being lazy. I'm gonna use frozen garlic. For dinner, I'm gonna be making spicy gochujang pasta, and I've made this on our channel before, so make sure to check that recipe out. I'm not gonna copy paste it. I want you guys to go, and I'm holding a floss in my hand. I want you to go and check out that, and it's the same exact recipe. I am just like tripling it because we have 6 people. So yeah, that's what we're gonna make for dinner. We're doing that. I'm making a salad, and I got these garlic nuts, so we're gonna have a feast for dinner. Kind of on a circle. Dishes here. Tomato. All done.
Want me to turn the boiling water on the pan more?
She keeps going, eh, eh, eh. Sorry guys, I forgot. Salad and bread is gone. Ella's up there. Thanks for watching.
너란 밤부터 바보